Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make fixing household appliances straightforward and stress-free. Today, we're diving into the How to Fix E17 Error in Siemens Washing Machine 2025 guide. If your Siemens washing machine is flashing that pesky E17 error code, you're in the right place. This error usually signals a problem with the water inflow, like a blockage or low pressure, which can halt your laundry routine. Don't worry. I'll walk you through the fixes step by step, and we'll have your machine running smoothly in no time. First things first, safety is key. Start by turning off your washing machine and unplugging it from the power source. This prevents any accidents while you're troubleshooting. Next, check your water supply. Ensure the tap connected to your machine is fully open and that there's no kink in the inlet hose. Sometimes, it's as simple as a twisted hose restricting the flow. Now, let's get a bit more hands-on. Locate the inlet filter, usually found at the back of the machine where the hose connects. Carefully remove it and give it a good clean under running water to remove any debris or limescale buildup. Once it's clean, reattach it securely. If you haven't done this in a while, it might be the root cause of the E17 error. After that, inspect the inlet hose itself. Make sure it's not damaged, blocked, or improperly connected. If everything looks good, try resetting your machine. Plug it back in, turn it on, and run a quick test cycle. If the error persists, it could indicate a more serious issue, like a faulty water valve, and you might need to call a professional technician. There you have it. Simple steps to banish that E17 error for good. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent these issues, so check your filters every few months. If this video helped you, hit that like button. Subscribe for more handy tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy washing.